Plug in the power cord, turn on the machine, and the machine automatically performs Z-axis homing. Make sure the Z-axis rises to the highest point. Take out the laser module. Install the dust plug of the field lens entrance and the laser module cover. Turn off the machine and unplug the power supply. Unscrew the two rings of the carbon dioxide fire extinguishing interface and display interface. Unscrew the 11 screws, fixing the rear shell. Take down the rear shell. Unplug the emergency stop switch, power switch, and USB adapter board terminals on both sides in sequence. Remove Hall sensor assembly. Remove the Hall sensor. Installing the new Hall sensors. Install the Hall sensor assembly. Reinstall the rear shell and insert the wiring. Tighten the 11 screws, fixing the rear shell. Reinstall the two rings of the carbon dioxide fire extinguishing interface and display interface. Remove the dust plug of the field lens entrance and the laser module cover. Install the laser module.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.